Breaking news. Fresh renders of the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra just dropped, giving us an exciting glimpse at what Samsung's next big flagships might look like. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series launch is just around the corner and the leaks are coming in hot. The latest scoop? A new set of renders showcasing the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra has surfaced online courtesy of the reliable Evan Blass. These renders, while not the highest resolution, give us what looks like official marketing material for these devices. Think of them as a sneak peek into Samsung's polished promotional content, just in a more modest form. This isn't the first time we've seen the Galaxy S25 series in leaks, though. Earlier today, alleged hands-on images of the Galaxy S25 Plus made the rounds, and both these new renders and the older leaks align with the CAD renders that surfaced earlier this year. The renders reveal subtle but stylish details about the Galaxy S25 Plus and Ultra. The wallpapers on both devices stand out, offering a sneak peek into Samsung's creative spin for this generation. The Galaxy S25 Plus sports a vibrant wallpaper similar to earlier leaks, which some suggest is Samsung's take on Apple's dynamic island concept. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, on the other hand, features a sophisticated brownish gold backdrop with an elegant S woven into the design. There's also a glimpse of what seems to be the latest version of One UI, likely tailored for these devices. While there aren't many drastic changes visible compared to the Galaxy S24 series, a sleek design and familiar rounded corners of the Ultra hint at Samsung's commitment to blending innovation with user-favorite aesthetics. More high-res leaks on the horizon. Although these renders don't provide crystal-clear details, they solidify many of the design rumors we've seen so far, like the rounded edges on the Ultra model. With just weeks to go before the official announcement, higher-resolution leaks are almost inevitable, and they're bound to reveal even more about what Samsung has in store. Stay tuned, because the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be another blockbuster from Samsung. Which model are you most excited about? The sleek Galaxy S25 Plus or the powerhouse Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments. Now let's talk about some previous Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks. If you are a regular viewer, you can skip this video here, and if you are new here, watch this video till the end. Hold on to your seats, Samsung fans. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is gearing up to bring jaw-dropping changes, design tweaks that might just make it the king of 2025. Let's dive into the exciting details. Samsung is turning up the heat in the smartphone world, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is proof. With leaks and renders flooding the internet, we now have insider details about its bold new design, straight from none other than Ice Universe. The upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just about power, it's about presence. While Samsung hasn't revealed official visuals yet, Ice Universe hints that the design will be absolutely breathtaking. The phone is also set to crush rivals like a Xiaomi 15 and iPhone 16 Pro Max, especially with its insanely slim bezels. Imagine a display that looks almost borderless, with perfectly symmetrical bezels seamlessly blending into the middle frame. It's not just a phone, it's a work of art. Ice also said in the start of this tweet, "I saw some S25 Ultra renderings which are very beautiful, but I'm sorry I can't post them. Colors that will steal the show. The S25 Ultra isn't holding back when it comes to style. Here's a sneak peek at the color combos. Blue, a stunning light blue back with a sleek silver frame that has a hint of blue. Black, bold black paired with a classy silver frame. White, clean white on the back highlighted by a light silver frame. Gray, sophisticated gray with subtle gold tones completed by a matching frame. And let's not forget the official names, they scream premium. Think titanium blue, titanium black, titanium white silver, and titanium gray. Samsung might also drop a few colors as online exclusives, so fans will need to act fast to grab their favorites. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's shaping up to be a statement piece. With bold aesthetics, cutting-edge design, and colors that redefine elegance, Samsung is ready to raise the bar yet again. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most ambitious flagship yet, poised to redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. With significant upgrades in design, performance, and camera technology, the S25 Ultra is ready to make waves. Let's dive into the rumored specifications that have been buzzing in the tech world. Design. Samsung is swapping the traditional aluminum frame for a titanium build, enhancing durability and premium feel. Paired with Corning Gorilla Armor glass on both front and back, the S25 Ultra also retains its IP68 water and dust resistance. Display. Prepare for an immersive experience with a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. With Quad HD Plus resolution, 3120x1440, a pixel density of 505 ppi, and an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. This display is set to deliver unmatched clarity and smoothness. Performance. At the heart of the S25 Ultra lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset. Built on a 3nm process, it promises next-level performance with a Qualcomm Oryon CPU, Hexagon NPU, and an Adreno GPU. Combined with a Snapdragon X80 modem, expect blazing fast connectivity and edge-driven efficiency. Memory and storage options. 12 gigs of RAM / 256 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 512 gigs of storage. 16 gigs of RAM / 1 TB storage. Cameras. The S25 Ultra is gunning for the title of the Camera King. Main camera, 200 megapixel sensor with f1.7 aperture, OIS, and adaptive pixel technology. Ultra wide, 50 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Telephoto, 10 megapixel, 3x optical zoom, OIS. 50 megapixel, 5x optical zoom, 10x optical quality zoom with adaptive pixel sensor, up to 100x digital zoom. Front camera, 12 megapixel, f2.2 aperture, 80-degree field of view. Video recording, 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. Battery and charging. The Ultra will pack a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 45-watt wired charging, ensuring all-day power and quick recharges. Software. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the S25 Ultra will receive an unprecedented 7 generations of OS and security updates, future-proofing your investment. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 3.2, Type-C, dual SIM/eSIM support, 5G with mmWave and sub-6 GHz support. Colors. Titanium lovers rejoice. Choose from titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, and titanium silver. Mark your calendars. Samsung is rumored to launch the Galaxy S25 series on January 22, 2025, setting the stage for the next generation of innovation. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be available in 2 RAM configurations and 3 storage options. In the US, the starting price is rumored to be $1,299 for the 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage variant, with the 1 TB model going up to $1,659. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.